Yeah, buddy, he's all yours. You're going to have to paddle because he's pulling me now. Yeah, alright. This one's got a bit more weight about. Rightio, so once you get that, yeah, just steer left, steer left. Ah. Hang on, I'll try and get my end around. Keep coming, keep coming. He's running. He's wearing out. Hang on. Yeah, come to me. Steer left. No. So I'm going to give you the rod. Yep, grab that, park your paddle now. Yep, and I'll get one more line down. Alright, you got him. I'm going to clip you on there. Alright, start working him, buddy. So pump and wind. It's nice that you've got a heap of line out there. So you just winding yourself back on him, basically. Alright, maybe we get a bit of luck with this one. Yeah, just follow us up, mate. You start keeping that line a bit. Oh, there he is, right there. Rightio. Yeah, keep your low, drop your tip. Now just steer him towards me. Yeah, that's perfect. Wow, he's shagged. There you go, buddy. That's a good fish. Look at him. Flip your bail arm. That's a fucking monster, mate. Look at the size of it. He's fucked too. He wore himself out with those runs. Huh? Alright, I'm just gonna... No, I'll just hold on to him for a sec. You're right, just in case he falls back in. Oh, he's been sharked too. Little fella nibbling on his tail. Wow. Look at that. We didn't lose much meat there though, lads. I think everyone's going to be eating pretty well tonight. Excellent. Well done. Well done, mate. Yeah, good shit. Good shit. Michael, nice work, boys. Teamwork for the dream work. Oh, it's jumping. Yeah, there you go. Got him. Hold on, son. Woo. Oh, there's a fucking shark on it, I bet you. Just keep working him. There's not much we can do about that now, but... Oh, boy. Oh, still there. Fucking hell. Ooh. Just... Oh, you get him next to the boat, the shark might fuck off. Oh, it's a big one. Ooh. I think he's got ya. Fuck, there he's right there. He's just in the kayak too. Yeah. Fuck, there's about 5 of them. Ah, man, they're skitzing out, those boys. Woo. Fuck me. That Mackie didn't have much of a chance. They're fucking right under you, man. Yeah. Let's do paddling and paddle away, huh? Fucking hell, I haven't seen them get that Nancy. Mate. Just take the leash off. Take the leash off. Yeah, beautiful. Leash off. Yeah. You help him with that, Michael. Nice, boys. Beautiful. All right. Excellent. Thanks, mate.
Thanks, buddy.
All right. A little weight on there, isn't there? He might be foul hooked, or he might be something else. It's a shark. Just hold him there, I'll come around and we'll cut him off. Yeah, just keep it low while he's over there. And then see if you can just start, come back here, mate. Kick your right rudder and then that'll bring him back. Yeah, alright, nice. Definitely is a shark, isn't it? It's not a cobia. Oh mate, hang on, that's just a fucking fish, that's a cobia. I want you to just keep working him up. Watch that tip on there, yeah, nice. Right, get him a little closer. I honestly think that's a cobia, not a shark. Yeah, Just hold him, hold him, hold him. Alright, bring him back to my way. And if it's a cobia, he's going to go off when he gets this gaff in him. Lift him, yeah. Oh no, that's a fucking cobia, mate. No, it's a cobia, yeah. Bring him up, he's got that big white stripe on him. Yeah. Alright, give it a quarter of a turn and just get a little tighter on him. And then I just need a couple more winds. So I want that. He's still taking line. You're right, get him up.
Ooh, cobia.
That's why we want to try and keep him close to the yak. The closer to the yak, the better. Give him another quarter of a turn of drag. That's the thing. Alright, yeah. Not too high, just a little bit more. One more wind. He's come underneath you again, but just keep him up. You get one more out of him. One more out of him. Wind down, yeah, that's it. One more, and one. That's what they do, mate.
There's a shark right under you.
Yeah, keep going, bring him. One more, and then steer him to me. Still got to get another couple of turns on him. Fuck. Yeah. Hold on, boys.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Bail arm, flip the bail arm.
Big fella.
He's a beauty, mate.
Oh yeah.
No shark that.
Woo! Damn, that's like a fight, eh?
A beautiful little cobes.
What a save! What a save!
We got him on the little happy face.
On the happy face.
Yeah. Still.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see him down there. Yeah, boy. Well, I think on that note, boys, I think it's time to go home.